Good afternoon everyone, today we're looking at another Pagani Design watch. So initial look at the box, we've got a simple sort of card outside layer. It's a very simple lightweight box, brown sort of effect on the sides. Usually what you might find with Pagani Design boxes is they can be quite stiff when it comes in that cardboard outside cover. Especially with the gloves on, they can be a little bit tough. Excuse me guys, usually it's a little bit stiff when you first, as you can see, it's just a little bit stiff, a little bit being an exaggeration. It's coming, slowly coming. There we go. Obviously you can see that rainbow effect, the actual logo on the front. It's quite a nice touch to add. Okay, you don't really see that under the UV light. It's a simple fold over lid. As you can see, we still got that rainbow effect on the side here. It's a very simple, sort of elegant style watch, really, a watch box. Inside you get the watch cleaning cloth, complete with the Pagani Design logo and print on there. Nice little top cushion to it as well. Housed in a simple black sort of cushion area, very sort of cheaply done really, and your manuals and stuff in the back there. So here we go guys, this is the Pagani Design 1728. It's a homage to the Nautilus Patek Homage. This bit of colour. So this watch retails around about £99. Weighs probably around about 100, probably 130, 150 grams, and uses a Seiko ST6 automatic movement. So looking at the dial, we've got a sort of a lined effect to the dial, and it's got that Tiffany blue style finish, and fully luminous increments, fully luminous hands as well. Nice little dotted system as well going all the way around the inside, and a plain mirror finish inside the actual main housing of the casing. Going across the top of the face, you've got synthetic sapphire, fully luminous, obviously fully luminous hands. It's 100 meter water resistance. Can't see, obviously got that Patek Philippe sort of shape. That's what they're going for. Coming out to the casing, you've got a full brushed effect on the casing that includes this fixed bezel here. Full brushed effect going towards the crown. Speaking of the crown, let's have a little look. Not much feedback when you actually turn the hands, but it's there is an element of quality there. Decent amount of feedback on the actual movement of the winder. And it's a normal screw down crown, I think. There we go. Yeah, simple wind down crown. Come down to the strap. Got a 20mm band strap, but you might need to go for a different size to specifically fit this model, because the insert link to go into the actual casing is not the same size as the rest of the link, so you might need something a bit more tailored to fit this watch. But the actual bandwidth of this says 20mm, I think it's more than that. It's got adjustable little tiny pins on the side here if you ever wanted to change that strap down to a smaller size, and it's a nice full butterfly finish system on it, revealing a simple stainless steel interior. Come into the back plate, full Pagani Design back plate on there, just a little more information about the watch on the back. Oh, put it on upside down. So there we go, so that is the Pagani Design 1728.